So in our previous video, we have seen two main types of communication protocol. Those were a parallel communication protocol and serial communication protocol. And we have gone further deep into serial communication protocol, and we have seen two types of serial communication protocol: synchronous serial communication protocol and asynchronous serial communication protocol. And we have already seen that CAN protocol is a communication protocol for vehicles, and CAN protocol comes under the umbrella of serial communication protocol. In this section, we are going to talk about CAN protocol, and we will see why we need CAN protocol, what are the features offered by CAN protocol, how CAN protocol is implemented, and how data is transferred on CAN protocol. So let's just start with the basic question: why we need CAN protocol? So over here you can see the diagram without CAN protocol. So let's just first discuss the problem we were facing without CAN protocol and why we come up with a new protocol. Without CAN, this is how communication used to work in our vehicle. So over here you can see different components which are connected with each other. So power windows is connected with air condition, and air condition is also connected with engine control. Then engine control is connected with power seat, power lock, and airbag, and all these components are connected with dashboard. So this is how the complex structure used to work in our vehicles without CAN protocol. So we were facing multiple problems without CAN protocol. Multiple wires were related to different ECU units. By the way, ECU stands for electronic control unit, and it's a microcontroller or microprocessor in vehicle that is responsible for a specific function. So over here you can see different components like lightning, power windows, power seats. So all of these components will have their own ECU, which will be responsible for controlling their specific function. So lightning will have its own ECU, which will control all the functions of lightning. Similarly, air condition will have its own ECU, which will be responsible for controlling air condition functions, and so on and so forth. So let's just discuss the problems. So multiple wires related to different ECU units, and wiring structure is very complicated. Removing or adding new component is very difficult, and cost is very high because of wiring structure, and lots of wires were attached in different components, and complexity is also very high. So we need some type of protocol which is simple, and wiring structure is simple on that protocol, and easy to add or remove components, and all systems should also be connected with each other. So these were our main requirements. So we come up with a new protocol known as controller area network, or CAN protocol. So over here you can see all the components are connected with just two wires, CAN high and CAN low. These are two wires, and we will discuss these two wires, or we can also call it two lines, CAN high and CAN low, and we will discuss these two lines in our coming videos in very detail. For now, let's just focus on these components. So these components like power windows, power locks, engine control, they also call as nodes. In CAN terminology, we will call it as node. From now on, we will call these components as nodes. So these nodes are connected on these lines, and adding and removing nodes is very easy now. If you see, we can easily remove any node from CAN protocol, and we can add new node easily. So over here you can see we have removed air condition node, and we have added suspension node. So adding and removing components is very easy on CAN protocol. So there are multiple features which CAN protocol offers. So let's just see those features. So CAN protocol operates without any host system. So over here you can see all the nodes are connected on CAN lines, and these nodes are independent of each other. So suppose we remove air condition node, it won't affect the traffic from other nodes, and all the other nodes will work properly on CAN protocol. So it operates without any host system, and it's a broadcast type protocol. So all the nodes will have access of CAN high and CAN low lines, and all the nodes can transmit or receive packets from these two lines on the network. And it's a message based protocol. So we will discuss message based protocol later in our video. For now, you can just understand that message based protocol will have each message will have a different identifier and unique identifier. So these message can be identified on CAN network. And we have already seen that CAN is a serial protocol, and precisely speaking, CAN is a serial asynchronous protocol. So all the features of serial asynchronous protocol will also apply on CAN protocol as well. So we will see these things in further detail in our coming videos. So we have seen why we need CAN and the features CAN protocol offers. And in our next video, we will see how we implemented CAN protocol in vehicles. So let's just see it in our next video. Thank you.
If you want to learn more about this course, you can find the link in the description below.